up, team? This is Dr. Tim coming at you guys with another self-care Saturday. So for this Saturday, what we're going to be going over is a couple quick lacrosse ball releases we can do to help improve front rack mobility. So with front rack mobility, a lot of people talk about the wrist, right? Being able to extend that wrist back, which is important, but also there's a couple muscle groups that we can release to really help us get that elbow up and then be able to have that wrist be in a better position and actually be able to get more of a full grip on the bar. Those two muscle groups that we're going to be going over today are going to be the lat muscle, which kind of spans this whole area down the side, as well as the tricep. If we can get a good release on those muscles, it's going to allow us to really kind of drive that elbow up and get that wrist in a better position. So if you want to improve that front rack mobility or you notice any wrist pain during front rack, go and follow along with these videos and try them out. All right, team, so the first exercise that we're going to be going through is a lacrosse ball release for that lat muscle, okay? Probably one of the most important ones to make sure that we release before getting into front rack because we use our lats during so many different movements in the gym. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lacrosse ball, that lat muscle again kind of spans this side right here. We're going to take the ball, kind of place it in that area, and then we're going to lean our side into there. And then what I want you to do is roll around up and down, side to side, until you find an area that feels very tender, and then let the ball stay on it. From there, motions that I like to go through with this one to kind of help open that up. So we're going to take this arm, and we can keep pressure into that ball, reach that arm up as high as we can. You can come back down, we can reach it up, scoop that across, get a good release there, and just continue to work that spot out for about 2 minutes, and then go and find another spot and do the same thing. All right, team, so the next release we're going to be doing after that lat release is we're going to hit the tricep, okay? For this one, I'm going to be using this table here, but at the gym, you can go and use a box or anything like that to be able to kind of either kneel in front of it or sit in front of it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the ball, and then I'm going to take my arm. That tricep is going to kind of span the back of the arm here, and you can hit anywhere in that area. So what I like to do is kind of place my arm just like this. I'm going to roll into there, again, until I find kind of a nice tender spot. A lot of times it might be towards the elbow, or it might be just towards the meat of the muscle there. Keep some pressure into that ball, and then we're going to take our arm and go through some flexion extension at that elbow. Again, working this spot out for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to move it up a little bit, maybe find another spot, and do a same thing, okay? And you can find up to 2 to 3 spots in that tricep and go and hit those spots to release them.